Relationship of any form and manner are always challenging to understand, but let's take a look and understand the relationships in Salesforce.
Any database tool allows you to link one data table to another data table. This is very useful and this is a very important functionality which is required. Why? Because let's take an example. There is a set of students and then there is a set of classes. So if we talk about an institution, so there could be like thousands of students, but there could be limited classes. So in this scenario, it's a one-to-many relationship where the class would be the parent. So let's say there is a class of first year, class of second year, class of third year. So in the class of first year, there could be, let's say, 200 students. Then in the class of second year, there could be another set of 200 students, and similarly in the class of third year, there would be another set of 200 students. How we can implement this in Salesforce? So there are two types of relationship fields which are available within Salesforce. One is called Lookup Relationship. The other one is called Master Detail Relationship. These are two ways of implementing one-to-many relationship in Salesforce. We'll also see many-to-many relationship. To understand many-to-many relationship, we'll take an example of job and job applicants. Let's talk about an organization which has a couple of job openings available. So let's say there's an opening for Salesforce developer, Salesforce administrator, Salesforce business analyst. And then there are applicants. So there could be an applicant 1, applicant 2, applicant 3, and then there are applications. So applicant 1 can apply to all three of these positions, which is developer, administrator, and business analyst. And then similarly, applicant 2 can apply to all the three positions, and similarly applicant 3 can also apply to all the three positions. So technically, this is a many-to-many relationship because one applicant can apply on all the positions and so on, right? So how can this be implemented in Salesforce? This is implemented using Master Detail Relationship field, and this implementation is called Junction Object, which we'll discuss in the following videos.
Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.